Hey everyone, it's Fred M. Yet here. Got the Roadtrek behind me. Today we're replacing the house battery, and please join me as we do so. Alright, here I got the two house batteries here, old one and new one. A few things to note is the age of the battery. This one is from 2011, 2021, brand new. So I'll talk about the battery I got and the battery I'm replacing briefly. So the battery I got, something you need to note is deep cycle. This one I believe was $70 at Walmart. It's 101 amp hours. That's important in some calculations you can do. And it's also the same size. Notice the size. It's group size 24. So this group size here, you might not be able to see, but they are a similar size. One mistake some previous owner along the way made. This is actually a marine starting battery, not a deep cycle battery. So it was due for replacement anyways, but it was also incorrect for the application. So one thing I did to the Roadtrek, I did remove this panel on the back to access this. So here are my wires. Excuse me, I do need to reorganize them better, honestly. This is going to my light strip above here. And is also connected to the trailer wiring as well, as you can imagine. This is going to my inverter, and these are going to the front alternator and isolator up there. I also noticed some wiring in the back here the Roadtrek installed. Quite a good area. It is a little wet down here. I do believe this is aluminum or stainless steel, which is awesome for not rusting out. Kudos to Roadtrek on that. So we're gonna install the new battery. Okay, I went ahead and wired it up. It was incredibly simple. So 14 millimeter bolts for your reference, and it just fits right in this cubby. I did go ahead and install my panel up here, just the square bit screws. I do recommend some square bits from Harbor Freight. You can get them for $2-3. They're okay, but you get what you pay for. But it's good for working on the RV and stuff. So that has completed my install. And later on, I'd like to do a review of the power inverter I've installed. Please comment, rate, and subscribe if you're interested on more updates on the van. Thank you.